Welcome friends to your new channel Red Pill Monk. Today I will talk about the main things or the main practices that one needs to do if they want to maintain no fap or semen retention. The main things that they should do is keep their head cool, calm and happy. That's the most prioritized thing that one needs to do when practicing semen retention or no fap, because if they can't keep their head cool, if they lose their cool, then they will just block their chakras, or if they fill their heads with disgust and anger or things like that, negative energies, then what will happen is that they will block their chakras. Their chakras will energy will not flow through their chakras smoothly. I mean, you must keep your head completely happy. You must be happy. You must be happy to successfully transmute your sexual energy. Purpose of no fap or semen retention is to transmute your sexual energy to a high level. I mean, the level that will keep you in a constant state of bliss, the level that will keep you in a constant state of spiritual prosperity, or constant state of happiness, or constant state of fulfillment, whatever you want to say. I mean, that will in turn lead you to the ultimate life that you always dreamed of, that anyone always dreams of. Through semen retention or no fap, you need to transmute your sexual energy to another level, and which is very much possible, which has been done time and time again by a lot of people. Okay, like Nikola Tesla, if you say, or like Swami Vivekananda from our country, or anything like that. I mean, there are just so many examples to give. And till this day also, Mike Tyson abstained from sex for almost 5 years. So again and again you will see that top performers have abstained from sex for a long time. Again and again, that's the thing that happens again and again. And so just one thing you need to do is successfully do the no fap or sexual transmutation. You need to keep your head cool, calm and happy, so that you can successfully make the sexual energy flow up. Make the sexual energy flow up. Make the energy flow upwards. When you fill your head with all the negative energies and thoughts, it just blocks the gateway. It just blocks the gateway for the sexual energy to flow upwards. So you must be positive, you must be optimistic, and you must be happy. Okay, you must be happy. You must be happy seeing the trees. You must be happy seeing for this life that God gave you. You must be grateful to God. You must be grateful to Him for this life that He gave Him, or that He gave you. I mean, that is just you must be you must show gratitude. You must be grateful to. Believe me, everyone says that's very hard, but I will say that's very easy, because that is the thing that makes you happy. That lifestyle will make you happy, and that lifestyle will lead you to the ultimate semen retention, or which in turn will lead you to the ultimate life that you were dreamed of. Okay, so no fap was just doing no fap or semen retention is not enough. You need to practice semen retention along with sexual transmutation, and in order to successfully transmute all the energies, you need to quit smoking, drinking and all such addictive things. Okay, now occasionally it's okay, but if you are a chain smoker, or you are a regular drinker, then that will be a big hindrance in your path, or in your way to successfully retain your semen, or to successfully implement the life out of semen retention that you are dreaming of. So You need to quit all the addictions, quit all the harmful addictions that you currently purchase, that you currently are continuing. So you need to stop those things, stop those harmful addictions, and then only can your no fap or semen retention be completely successful and completely create a complete person out of you. It can carve a complete person out of you, the person that you always dreamed of, the person that you always admired, the person that you always deserved to be but just couldn't reach that goal because you were under some some bad habits or under some fapping influence. So that's why practice no fap semen retention successfully and get rid of all the harmful addictions and keep your mind cool, calm and happy. Don't get much negative. I know the world in today's world is extremely crooked for men, extremely shrewd for men. Everything is right. That's true, actually. That's very true. But still, we need to keep our heads cool in order to successfully transmute the sexual energy. In order to keep our heads cool, we just need to get our thoughts into ourselves, not into the outer world. We cannot change them, just we need to avoid them. Anyways, if you like my work, please feel free to like, share and subscribe, and see you soon.